This is Rebecca Saddam at Oakton Community College with a brief review on how to correctly add database assets to library LibGuide. Using the correct method really does matter. When we build our LibGuides with this method, we pull database information from a centralized repository. That in turn makes it possible for us to ensure that our database updates appear in all of the guides. For this example, we're already signed in and viewing the LibGuide in edit mode. When working on a content box that needs a new database asset, locate the Add Reorder button and select it. A drop-down menu appears. Select the database option. A search box appears. We're going to use this to search for and select the database that we want to add. It's usually not necessary to type the entire name of the database. In this example, we're adding a business database that starts with A-Z. After typing A-Z, we find two database assets that come close to matching the description. We select the second one, A to Z World Business. An Add Database dialog box opens up. Usually the default options are just what we need, allowing us to click on Save and quickly add the database asset to the content box. There are, however, a few customization options that LibGuide owners can use when necessary. Information that you add to the custom description box overrides the library's standard description. This particular spot could be used, for example, to repeat that same information along with additional details. This is particularly handy for course guides since it allows you to call students' attention to those database features best suited for their course assignments. For the description display, our guides typically use the default display beneath item title. But take note that we can tie the description's visibility to specific user hover actions, or, if necessary, we can hide the description altogether. Do take note of the position option. The default option for this area will vary. In this particular instance, it defaults to bottom of the box, but we're going to change that. We want top of the box. So after selecting that, go ahead and click on Save. The new database asset with a customized description now appears at the top of the content box. For more details on this and other guide editing routines, see our LibApps directions for staff guide at researchguides.oakton.edu/libappshow.